Alright people, Piz out here, and this is a little Man Cave 101 tutorial. The Man Cave refrigerator. Every man cave needs its own mini fridge, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss the essential contents of any man cave refrigerator by exploring my own refrigerator in my own man cave here at Casa de Pizal. So I'm going to just dive right in and show you guys exactly what every man cave refrigerator not only needs but must have. These are absolute musts. So just go ahead and dive right in. And this is the man cave refrigerator in all its glory. As you can see, no foods, no solid foods whatsoever in the man cave refrigerator. Instead, we have a lot of liquids, like Bud Light, for instance. Plenty of Bud Light in there. Got one Heineken left. One Heineken, yeah. For my friends in Holland. Love me some Heineken. And of course, you cannot go wrong with a little Kentucky bourbon. God bless Kentucky. God bless bourbon. Yeah. And to top things off, got a little OJ down there in the bottom, because gotta stay healthy. Lots of vitamin C. Also got over here in the door some lemonade, because lemonade and OJ go very, very well together. So yeah. Little known fact, OJ also goes very, very well with vodka. Not many people know that outside of the Ukraine, I think. But yeah, so there you go. That is the essential man cave refrigerator. The contents. If the contents of your man cave refrigerator aren't similar to this, then you're just not doing it right. You're not doing it right. So I think I'll go ahead and have a beer to celebrate the awesomeness of my man cave. So, yeah. Alrighty. So until next time, you guys take it easy. Peace.